Swadika. Where am I from? I do get asked quite a lot. That's number one question. Cut. The answer is tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. My mum. Earth. The ground. How about if I told you I'm actually an immortal and I've always been here? The earth is my home. Wherever I lay my head is my pillow. That is my belief system. I do believe my roots go into the ground like a tree. Earth is my home, and the earth is big. I am still exploring, and there's lots to see. I could mention my mum is Irish. And what language am I speaking? So, if you've been watching, then please subscribe, and a like is very much appreciated, and if you share, then it will help Breatharian Travels to grow. Okay, one cut. I will see you all in the next video.